So we've had a lot of questions about how to connect the HD connectors or adapters that have this connector on the back. That's the Kubota 4-pin. There's another one here, the Cat 14-pin, and the Cat 9-pin comes in a variation like this just as well. So inside of the Phoenix Max case, along with all the accessories, you have an OBD1 adapter piece that looks like this. And so that's simply a female version of the DLC or the OBD2 port. It's got an additional plug there to power it if need be. And then it goes over to the female version of the connector you see on those adapters. So in order to use these connectors, you need to pull this out of the kit that you already have. And you can take it again. Here is the Kubota. You can adapt that right in, secure it, and that'll work. You can also do it with the Cat 9-pin or the Cat 14-pin. They all work exactly the same way. But you need this adapter cable right here, the OBD1 adapter cable, to make this work. So then once you have those connected, you've got your MDI Pro, you've got your cable that comes out of there and plugs into the end, you got the other end, and you just make that connection. And now you're able to connect to any one of these that you need. So if you see that end right here on any of the adapters, that's what it's looking for. It's looking for this OBD1 adapter cable. Hope that helps.